Microfiber. Imported. Essential for the gym, dorm, or beach. Get dry and stay covered up with our wrap. Goes where you go. One size fits most. Measures 54 by 20 when not stretched. Easily adjusts to your comfort level. Easy to wear. The adjustable Velcro closure and elastic top makes this shower wrap comfortable and secure. Adjust Velcro to fit your waist. Use the spacious pocket to hold showertime essentials. Suitable for a variety of places and activities. Use before and after showering at the gym, college dorms, pools, beaches, locker rooms, or your own bathroom. Easy to carry in a bag when on the go. Lightweight, comfortable, and ultra-absorbent. Made of super soft microfiber to provide a soothing touch against your skin while absorbing extra water from your body. Care tips. Shower wrap is machine washable, wash in cold water, tumble dry. Do not use bleach and fabric softener. See care label for more details. Design Imports, DII, is a creator of fashionable, fun, and functional kitchen textiles, table linens. DII Bath. DII provides fashionable, luxury bath accessories. Buy all of your coordinating bath accessories with confidence. From bath rugs, shower wraps, hair wraps, shower curtains, crochet baskets, and more, DII offers a classic look for your bathroom. Top reviews from the United States. Terry skirt. The Velcro was very secure, hard for me to get off only having one hand after strokes.